Welcome back to the channel and to another video. I know it's been over a minute since I've uploaded anything to YouTube, but in this video we're going to be sending the high mileage Mk2 Mr2 off for its MOT, and this year I've got plans to upload a lot more videos and I've got a few projects and a few ideas, so if you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you're tuning in again, thank you. As always, before I send the Mk2 off for its MOT, I need to fit the stock exhaust back onto the car because it had a kind of sports exhaust that was just straight through, and I don't want any problems at the MOT centre. So here's what the stock system sounds like now that the stock exhaust has been fitted again. Yeah, so the stock exhaust still sounds good and I won't have any problems at the MOT, and I can always throw the sports one back on. The next thing I had to do was replace one of the rear calipers because the previous one was sticking, and after replacing that I gave the system a bleed, so I'll show you some footage of that as well. Down. Well, it's starting to come now. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Okay, so the last thing I'd done before sending the car off for its MOT was spray the sills because they were just sitting in primer as I had new sills welded onto the car. There's a previous video you can check out for that. So sprayed them and that's it. Car's off for its MOT, and we'll pick up just after the MOT to see whether it's passed or most likely failed. The high mileage Mk2 Mr2 has failed its MOT. It's its first MOT in about 3 years, so kind of expected, and it didn't even fail too badly. So I've got a list somewhere. Yeah, I've got a list of everything that needs done on the car. So there is the near side front side light, off side front side light. So that's, I think, the light that fits in there and the light that fits in there. I didn't even know the car had a light there. I thought they were just indicators. So 2 side lights, near side front drop link and off side rear drop link as well. So I've got the drop links back here. Got them from Euro Car Parts today, and then I've also got the bulbs for the front, so that's that ready to go. And there's also a wee bit more welding to do, so it was offside rear, hole above tyre, and it was inside the turret, so that was quite high up. So the MOT tester must have went on a wee search for rust, and yeah, so I'll get that. I'll do all of this stuff today, then I'll drop the car off to Richard's, he'll do the welding, and then get in for its retest, and the Mk2 Mr2 should be back on road. I'm gonna break these, I just know it. Let's turn the lights on and see if that thing comes on. I don't even know when side lights are meant to come on, but okay, put the ignition on, lights on, did that light up, yeah. Brilliant stuff. So we'll get this side back on and do the other side. Okay, so I've got the rear of the car up in the air, and that's the rear drop link there, the one we're going to replace. There we go. No? Really? No? Fine, 17. Ah, there we go. That was unexpected. That went a lot smoother than I thought. Okay, that's a lot tighter. Okay, that's very tight. The first one was too easy. When the first one's easy, the second one's always going to be really difficult. There we go. Bit of movement. Brilliant stuff. That's that off. How do people get this top one off? It's really tight for space around the back. This is the problem, even though the nuts came off nice and easily, this is just too long. The threaded part is too long. Now please come out. There we go. And that's the front drop link off. Okay, drop link's done. Got a wee bit more welding done from Richard. Sent the car back off. It passed its MOT, so now it's got a full bill of health, which is amazing. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video, and peace.